May viewers tayo nagtanong. So, gawa na natin ng video para naman malaman ng lahat, di ba? Yan. Sir, anong requirements para mag-enroll sa truck driving school? Para di tayo ma-misleading, punta tayo sa Google, ha? Ayan, o. To attend truck driving school in the United States, you must meet basic requirements. Have a valid driver license, yung license dito sa US. Have a clean driving record, yung wala kang ticket. Be at least the minimum age. Be physically fit to drive a truck. Have a proof of US citizenship or lawful permanent residency. So, yan ang mga requirements. Tapos, kailangan ka ng $5,000 to $6,000. Yan ang tuition pay. Siguro makahanap ka rin ng mura pa dyan, pero yun ang basic. Maraming nag-comment dyan na pa-apply loads. Bago ka mag-apply dito, kailangan ka mayroon kang CDL. Hindi pwede mag-apply dito na mag-apply ka muna tapos kukuha ng CDL. Hindi pwede ganyan. Kailangan may CDL ka muna bago ka mag-apply.